Now let us see how to find out the position of a given point with respect to a given ellipse. So that means if we are given an equation of the ellipse and coordinates of some point, how do we know whether the point is inside the ellipse, outside the ellipse, or on the ellipse? Okay, so for that let's consider the standard equation of the ellipse. Now what do we do is we express this equation in the form where the right hand side is 0. Okay, so clearly we have to bring the 1 on left hand side. So we have x square upon a square plus y square upon b square minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, now we are going to develop a very important notation here. The entire left hand side we denote by the expression s. Okay, so the equation of the ellipse is nothing but s equal to 0, where s stands for this particular expression. Now, to find the position of a point with respect to an ellipse, all we have to do is we have to substitute the point in the left hand side expression s. Okay, and that's what we call as s1. Okay, so that means s1 corresponds to x1 square upon a square plus y1 square upon b square minus 1. Okay, so wherever we have x and y, we substitute the coordinates of the given point. So therefore we will basically get some value of the expression s1. Alright, and now what we have to do is we have to just check whether s1 is greater than 0, less than 0, or equal to 0, which will distinguish the position of the point. So if s1 is greater than 0, then the point is outside the ellipse. If s1 is less than 0, then the point is inside the ellipse. And lastly, as you can guess, if s1 is equal to 0, then the point is on the ellipse. And the last one is almost intuitive, because if s1 turns out to be 0, that means clearly the point satisfies the equation of the ellipse. So which means that the point is on the ellipse. Alright, so these are the important criteria that tell us about the point, whether it lies on the ellipse or inside or outside. So let us solve one question based on this. Find whether the point 3, 4 is inside, outside, or on the ellipse x square upon 16 plus y square upon 25 equal to 1. Okay, so here s corresponds to x square upon 16 plus y square upon 25 minus 1. Right? So therefore what will be s1? S1 is where we have to replace x and y with the coordinates. So x is 3, so therefore 3 square is 9 upon 16 plus 4 square is 16 upon 25 minus 1. Okay. Now we have to find out whether this number is positive or negative. So taking the LCM, we have 16 into 25, then 9 into 25 is 225 plus 16 square is 256 minus 16 into 25, so that is 400. Now see, it's not actually required to get the complete answer. All we have to know is whether this number is positive, negative, or 0. If you see the first two terms, that is 225 and 256, their sum is greater than 400, and hence when you subtract 400 you will get a positive number. So therefore it turns out that s1 is clearly greater than 0. So that means the given point is lying outside the given ellipse. That's the answer.